Hello my lovely friends, thank you all for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. May Jehovah God bless you all abundantly. Today I'm going to walk you through how you can copy your important files from your computer or laptop that will not boot Windows or any other operating systems. You can also use this method to recover files from hard drive that is corrupted or inaccessible in Windows or any other device. This method is one of the best or the first option I may suggest to copy your files from your computer or drives if you suspect the operating system is corrupted. There are possible fixes for corrupted Windows files and we will look at them in a separate video. But this method grants adequate security of your personal files before embarking on fixing your operating system. In today's video, we are going to download this amazing software called Dr. Web Live CD. Please follow my googling procedure to download this software yourself, or just simply download it from the link in the description below. After the download is completed, you can either use Refox or Ventoy to create a bootable USB flash drive. Please follow the video to prepare the USB flash drive for the Dr. Web Live CD. I will advise you use the Ventoy software with MBR partition scheme because it works for either legacy or UEFI boot system. There is a complete video tutorial on Ventoy and Refox. I will leave the links of those videos also in the description below. After the process, remove the USB drive and insert it in the targeted computer. Now press the power button on the computer and immediately start tapping on your computer manufacturer's boot menu key to display the boot menu interface. I have provided this guide for some of the known manufacturers. Select your USB flash drive and press enter. On this screen, press enter to proceed. Wait for the process to complete. Now, to locate your files, click on File Manager. Select Win. Now you can see the various partitions of your hard drive and USB flash drives. This is the location of all your files. To find your desktop files, click on the first drive. Then click Users. Click Username. Mine is Ofer. Now click on Desktop to locate your desktop files. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you got value from this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video.